Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about the recent case of Husna Banu versus State of Karnataka. In this case, Karnataka High Court held that breastfeeding is a fundamental right which is protected under Article 21 of the Constitution. So we will first discuss about the facts of this case which are very interesting. This case is in regard to the custody of a child between the genetic mother and the foster mother. The biological mother of a child who was stolen soon after the birth from the maternity home had approached to the court for seeking the return of the child from the foster mother. Earlier, the mother had filed a case of habeas corpus petition in the court, following which the child was stripped. Now, this child was christened by the genetic parents as Master Muhammad Arhan and later named by foster parents, foster mother as Advik. Now, after hearing the arguments, it was decided that the custody of the child should be given to the genetic parents. There were a lot of arguments that genetic parents already have their two children, foster mother don't have any child, so this child should be left with the foster mother. But after discussing everything, the court decided that no one else can take care of a child better than his own genetic mother, so the custody should be given to the genetic mother. And also the court said that the foster mother will be allowed to see the child for some interval so that she can be connected to him. So all of this was decided, but while deciding this case, the court also emphasized the importance of breastfeeding and the international conventions which deals with the child rights. So Justice Krishna S. Dikshit said that in the light of the domestic law and international law, breastfeeding needs to be recognized as an inalienable right of a lactating mother. Similarly, the right of the suckling infant for being breastfeeded too has to be assimilated with the mother's right. Arguably, it is a case of concurrent rights. This important attribute of motherhood is protected under the umbrella of fundamental rights, which is guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Article 21 talks about the right to life and liberty, and it has a very wide scope, and under that scope only the court has analyzed that right to be breastfeeded comes within and comes within a fundamental right, that is Article 21 of the Constitution. International conventions were also considered under this case, like the court referred to the International Conventions on the Right of the Child, Article 25 subclause 2 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and Article 24 subclause 1 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, which recognizes the right of the child to the measures of protection as are required by its status as a minor, and the correlative duty resting on the shoulders of its family and the society and the state was recognized through these articles. I hope this particular video was helpful to you in understanding this case, in understanding the case in which the Karnataka High Court analyzed and stated that breastfeeding is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution, and this case is Husna Banu versus State of Karnataka. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and in case you have any queries in regard to law related matters, you can reach out to me directly on my Instagram ID. Link for the same is provided in the description below. Thank you very much.